Used in schools. Bookkeeping testing in schools serves several important educational and preparatory functions. 1. Measuring learning outcomes. The most fundamental reason is to assess whether students have grasped the accounting concepts and principles taught in the course. These tests check for understanding of double-entry bookkeeping, journal entries, ledger management, preparing financial statements like the income statement and balance sheet, and applying generally accepted accounting principles. 2. Ensuring foundational competency. Bookkeeping forms the foundation of accounting. Testing ensures that students have the meticulous attention to detail, numerical reasoning, and core knowledge necessary before moving on to more advanced accounting or finance topics. 3. Preparation for certification and career. For many educational programs, the curriculum is explicitly designed to prepare students for industry certification exams. School testing mirrors the format and content of these professional tests, giving students practice under exam-like conditions. 4. Formative feedback for students and teachers. Assessments act as a diagnostic tool. For students, they reveal individual strengths and weaknesses, showing where they need to focus their study efforts. For teachers, they indicate which teaching methods are effective and which concepts need reteaching or a different approach to better convey the material. 5. Accountability for educational programs. Schools and accrediting bodies need empirical evidence that their bookkeeping programs are effective in delivering the promised skills. Testing data demonstrates accountability to stakeholders, including students, parents, and external bodies that may evaluate the program's success. 6. Developing workplace skills. Beyond pure accounting knowledge, tests often assess practical skills like using accounting software or interpreting financial data, which directly relates to the demands of entry-level bookkeeping positions.